Vacuum on a commercial fridge. Just replace the compressor. That's the old compressor, that's the new one. And now I'm pulling vacuum. Now it's at 5,220 and it's going down. It's pulling pretty good. Most likely it's going to be ready for recharge in maybe half an hour, 45 minutes. It's at 3,500 microns and it still keeps going down. And we have good pull on those gauges, so it's almost ready for recharge. I would say another 20-25 minutes, maybe half an hour. So I hooked up my Freon. It's the R290. And now I'm going to charge it. I already put about 3.1 ounces inside. I'll keep charging it. This fridge should be about 5.29 ounces. So I'll put 5 ounces and then I will stop. 5.2. And now I'm going to turn the fridge on and it should be good to go.